Well, welcome back to GOT. Today we've got a box opening, or at least a first impression of the new Samsung Watch 7 Ultra. I don't actually know if 7's in the title, but we know it's the Watch Ultra, first time out. We're going to do a first look together, and I'm going to tell you what I think real quickly, and then we'll come back for another video on the comparison of the Ultra versus the 6 Classic. Let's go. Now, I did purchase this watch with a trade-in. I'm going to trade in my Watch 6. And the only reason why I actually purchased this, well, is a couple of reasons. One, wanted the newer watch. It's the Ultra. It's their first Ultra. And when I saw the trade-in value, they gave me $350 trade-in value on this watch, which is about what I paid for it. Was it a year or two ago? Anyway, whenever it came out, that's what I paid for this watch. So basically, they give me a full refund. So I'm actually getting this watch, this Ultra, with some other discounts, making this watch less than the Classic. I believe my final cost was $279 for an Ultra. That's a pretty good deal. Now it comes with a packing slip, showing me, of course, what I got. And then it has the barcode to send, I believe. Yeah, this is to return my Watch Classic, as you can see right here. This gives me authorization to return my Watch Classic. So really nice. They actually put it right in the box. So I don't have to do anything else other than the box it up, probably use that same box and return just my watch. Looking at this image of this extra band, I don't think it's anything like the band on my Samsung 6 Watch Classic. No, totally different. So the bands are not going to be something that you can utilize between watches. That's a bummer. Sweep that, open this up. There's another box inside the box. Ah, see, that's where the second band is, right there in the box. And it looks like I got the same band twice. You know, that's only because I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't realize that I was getting a free band when I ordered it with the promo. And so I ended up selecting the same band twice. Well, I've got an extra band. There you go. And there is the box with the watch. Doesn't come with a band because the band was separate there. And now let's go ahead and open this box up. There we go. There's what here. Just their legalese stuff, and I don't think there's a watch band. It looks like it's big enough to hold a watch band, but it's probably got the charger in it, or is the charger underneath that thing? Let's find out. I'll put it up. This feels like it's the charger. Yep, there you go. There's the charging cable. Okay, I've got it plugged in, so I'll be able to use that here. I don't know. Let's see. Put this onto the old watch. See if it charges. And looky there, it charges the 6, so that means I could use. Typically, when you trade in, you don't throw in the chargers. So I can use this charger with my new phone, or use my watch charger, my old watch charger with the new watch. You know what I meant. So anyway, so there you have it. Let's go ahead and pull this one out of the box. There we go. Let's put all this aside for now. We don't need that in the video. Wow, look at that thing. That's a big old square. Let's go ahead and start the boot process here. Hopefully it's got some charge to it. Hold the press, it starts up. Let's go ahead and move this other stuff out of the way. And I'm gonna throw my phone in here in the mix, and let's see what happens. It should go ahead and automatically want to sync with my phone. Okay, now while that's booting up, I'll go ahead and open up this case here. Wow, it's pretty soft and stretchy. Feels like it's gonna be pretty comfortable. Let's see, and that just hooks on like, interesting. Oh, it grabs this hook when it's on. Well, this will be interesting. See how that works. Okay, now it's connecting with a watch. It says to confirm. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll confirm it. And then once it's confirmed, it's going to download the software. And of course, it'll download the software through the device itself. And now it's setting up. In the meantime, let's go ahead and see if we can't figure out how to put this on there. Should be fairly simple and basic. It looks like you just pop in and it's in. Button in here, right there. Little stickers in the way. Move that sticker out. I have to hold this button at the same time. Press it in, I think. Yeah, there you go. Now it's in. Okay. And then this watch, it looks like, yeah, it just easily adjusts your wrist. That's pretty nifty. Okay, so the way this band works is you just take this little piece here. You can see it says pull. So you pull this, then you twist it, and then these little pieces come out, and then you adjust it where you need it. And I'm not sure We'll start off with right here, and you put it right through. So that's pretty simple for a band adjustment. That's nice. Once it was done, check it out. It matches my old watch. So they have the same screen now, as you can see here. And is there a difference between the two? Well, you've got the one that's raised a little bit and the other one's deeper. The older one's a little deeper, so it makes a false impression that the new one is larger. But I think the screen diameter is the same. So there you go. My first impression, I like it. I think it's going to be fine. I don't know if I like this band or not. I wish my old band would just work on it. Does it feel any heavier on my arm? That's really hard to say right now. Let me see. I have to take this off and put the old one back on just to give you that idea. Well, holding them up like this, that's so odd. Holding them up like this, the Ultra feels a lot lighter weight than this one. So we'll test it out for a while and get back to you. Hello, this is Mark.
Hey, this is Robin, my plumber. I got a message to give you a call about the plumber warranty. You got a water leak going on?
Yes, I do have a water leak going on. Well, there was a quick sample of how to use the watch as a phone. That was pretty neat. Of course, that just transferred from my phone to my watch. We're having a plumbing issue with one of our spigots, so this is the plumber calling to see when he can come out. But anyway, so that works nice. The other watch worked the same, but I think this was a lot clearer. I don't guess he knew that I was on a watch. So that's pretty cool. Well, there you go. Quick unboxing and first impression. I'll give you more on my full review, so stick to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the full review on the Ultra watch coming soon. And of course, while you're down there, don't forget to smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. If you have any questions about the watch whatsoever, please leave those down in the comments. Be happy to answer those on my full review. Until next time, thank you for watching and God bless.